Imagine waking up to a world instantly plunged into darkness, no lights, no screens, no life as you know it. Your fridge stops humming, food spoils fast, and the silence of no phone signal screams isolation. Factories come to a halt, production lines frozen. Imagine the ripple effect through your day. Now picture the flip side, electricity powering life's essentials all around you every moment. Hospitals rely on electricity to run life-saving machines. Without it, critical care stops cold. Your fridge and oven keep food fresh and hot. Electricity means meals, nourishment, and no waste. Connectivity is king. Phones, internet, emergency services all run on electricity, keeping you linked and safe. Banks stay open, deliveries run, and transport moves. Electricity fuels your daily hustle and economy. But what if the grid fails? Solar power offers a bright, reliable backup that keeps you in control and connected. Don't wait for darkness. Embrace solar today. Stay powered up and live worry-free wherever you are.